you got, Sam? Trucks. Oh boy.
Oh boy, are we gonna have fun with that?
Oh,
I know what this one!
he heard it talking. Hurry up.
That nice, Chris? Is that
Yep.
pajamas,
Okay.
Brianna?
Thank you.
Oh, Jack's out there recording.
Is he?
Yeah, it's got that
Oh,
shiny
nice.
white over
It's
there.
Mickey.
What's that? That's stuff?
Look at this.
Yeah. Oh, there he's gonna put it in there. Let me see.
Come here, Pat. Here.
Huh? That's trying to get my coffee. Go ahead. All right.
You know, stand behind the chair.
All right. All right. I'll put that in there too. In your bag.
All right, sit still.
Oh man, I know what
All right,
it is.
sit still.
I can't see it, Sam. No,
Now we get the all carry.
it says tile.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa.
Let me see.
You're welcome, honey.
Yeah.
What's that, Estub?
Are you loud?
Yeah.
Are you loud?
Catch Sam blues.
Let's see. Oh, wow.
Yeah, look at this outfit. I
Here,
think this
sit.
is so cute. Look at this.
That's cute.
Isn't that
Yeah,
cute?
that is nice, yeah.
Where's the lid to this,
It's
honey?
popped up in my
Right here.
bag.
I got some.
I like that, yeah.
Mommy, the same game Sammy has.
No, you got Mrs.
Pac-Man. You got Mrs.
I got
Pac-Man.
Mrs. Pac-Man. I do too. Except for
You got Mr. Pac-Man. You got Mr.
All right,
Thank
here.
you, Mama. Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome.
Another outfit.
Good outfit.
Cool, let me see. Oh, well, hold it upright so we can see it. Turn it around.
Turn your
Hold
shirt.
it by the
Shirt.
They're
sleeves.
pajamas.
They're
Pajamas.
jammies.
Yummy.
Oh,
hell
with
that right there. Pajamas, right? Yummy.
It's a puzzle ball.
I like the little puzzle ball, Mom.
You take it
Put
apart.
together. Yes. Wow, that was this. Because I know what this is.
Sam, you're just a
Thank
bit of a
you.
child. You know that?
This come quick or what? And then Christ this year went by quick.
Who's that?
Ken! I just needed a new one because the other one,
His head came off.
I know his head came off and his leg came off.
Big brother Ken.
I know. I hate Ken. Thank you.
Where's Danny and Dana?
I hate you.
Oh.
I'm not done yet. And this must be full stuff of Barbie.